Hey everybody, it's so nice to see all of you, even though technically I can't see you, but it's hair care day. I need this. I hope you guys need this because it took everything I had to get out of bed today. Obviously, normally I'm never getting to sleep because I have a 3-year-old daughter, which we talk about all the time, amongst my other responsibilities and health issues. But she just happens to be sleeping in today, and I was like, no, you can't. Your hair is crying out for help and you miss everybody, so get off your butt. So, like, here I am. Nice to see you. Lovely intro. Okay, so we're doing the AMIKA Soul Food Mask. My hair has been just like dry. We've been doing a lot to it. Needs to be recolored because the holo prism kind of faded out right away. I did put some like oil on my scalp this morning just to kind of give it a little extra love. They have like 4 different masks. So they have like a blue like Hydro Rush and then a purple one that's like for toning and repair. And then the Kure, which is meant for like severe damaged bleached hair. And then this one, which is a nourishing mask. It's going to help make it smooth. It's like a deep conditioning mask. So we've tried the Kure and the purple one. I'll go ahead and link those 2 below. But today I'm really hoping, I do actually have really high hopes that this one is going to work. My hair is super picky. I have like wavy kind of curly-ish hair that's been, that I bleach and color and do things to. You can definitely tell it's hair wash day. This is kind of what we're working with. So it's just super picky. Honestly, a lot of things, like even before I would do a lot of stuff to my hair, other things that work for a lot of other people just don't seem to work for my hair, which my daughter's going through the same thing, but like with curly ringlet hair. So after like researching some on like the reviews and stuff, my gosh, like just the Amazon reviews alone, because I go everywhere. I go Reddit, like I deep dive this stuff, I'm addicted to learning knowledge. And I just go down these rabbit holes. So, but the Amazon reviews specifically were like at almost 5,000. And I think it was like 4.6, 4.7. So I'm like, okay, let's see what people didn't like in this instance, because that's quite a lot of people on here. And I started noticing that they were complaining about how the colors were different in the different jars. And I got interested because I actually ordered mine off of their website, which I'm going to be straight honest with you guys. It took forever. So nothing against the brand, but ordering from their website, I actually had to go and look into where my order was. I tried emailing them because I got that worried because I'm like, where is it? Just know that was my experience with ordering from their website. So before, when I got off Amazon, obviously it was a lot quicker. And then you have just a quicker option of returning. Doesn't matter. Honestly, this is sold in quite a lot of different places, but I will actually link this below in the description in case this goes really well and you do want to check it out and buy it. So anyways, on the Amazon reviews, some of the complaints were that the color of the actual product in here was really different. They said they had one that was like white and one that was like yellow and one that was like yellow orange, and it was like real 3 specific different colors. I'm like, huh, okay. And then I go and I swipe the pictures on the Amazon page. You know how it has like different pictures you swipe? And right there is the picture I'm going to put up here. And it has exactly what I was seeing in the reviews. And in the negative reviews, mind you. It was like 3 different colors. And it says right there that that's from one of the ingredients that they put in there, because it's like a natural, buckthorn or some sea buckthorn. And that's what changes the colors in it, but it doesn't affect the actual product. So I can't wait to see what color mine is, but I thought, oh my gosh, I'm so glad I'm making a video on this today, because I can't wait to go tell everybody what I learned going down my weird rabbit holes. Anyways, this is supposed to super condition, nourish my hair. I'll put a list of the ingredients up here for you guys. And it says they are a friend of the planet. This jar is made with 30% post-consumer recyclables. AMIKA Soul Food Nourishing Mask. This was 8 fluid ounces. I believe it was the same across the board. When I looked online, it was like $34 usually all over. Obviously, you can always find deals, stuff like that. I do that a lot. So it's probably going to be different price no matter where you go. But it is, kind of middle ground, $30 area. Loaded with antioxidants and nutrients, this rich yet lightweight formula hydrates and softens, resulting in healthy-looking, silky, smooth strands. It says massage through wet hair, let penetrate for 5. I'm such a child. For 5 to 7 minutes. I'm embarrassed that I laughed at that. I'm going to be 40 in like a few years or something. And I giggled. I'm young at heart. Rinse well. Use as a weekly treatment or daily on porous or dry hair. Avoid contact with eyes. So that's all that they say on the jar, but obviously I have more information for you guys. So deep conditioning mask for all hair types, which I think is super important. So hopefully it'll not only work for me, but for a lot of you who needs help. Hair is 91% more manageable and 11.4 times more conditioned. Makes hair look and feel more soft, silky, and hydrated. Ideal for all hair types experiencing dryness. It has sea buckthorn, an omega-rich plant source that nourishes strands. And that's the thing that they say kind of miscolors it. And then they have the jojoba seed oil. Now that I know how to pronounce it. Jojoba. Lemon-rich moisturizer that helps soften the hair. And again, where they show like the 4 masks, it says all hair types in need of deep conditioning, 1 through 4C. It's vegan, cruelty-free, silicone-free, paraben-free. Oh, we made fun of me last time for this. Filate, it's not filate, flat. I'm just going to have like a sheet hanging here because seriously, you guys, like my health problems, I have cognitive issues. So I'm just digging all this like work that I'm doing for my brain. It's good for me. You got to build those new pathways. I need like a sheet over here telling me the pronunciation. Filate free, SLES and SLS free, and suitable for chemically treated hair. So yeah, good times. They do sell it in an even bigger container than this. And they also have in their like series, they have like a shampoo and conditioner. I believe it's called Normcore. We'll see how this goes. Maybe I'll give that a shot. Maybe I won't. Today, all I'm going to be using is just a co-wash shampoo and this. And I'm going to leave it in, you know, they said. I just heard someone knocking on my window. Yeah, no one was there and the dogs didn't bark. But I swear to you, it sounded like someone was knocking. Oh, maybe I should have stayed in bed. I'm going to feel so much better after this. I can guarantee it. So I forgot it was. Yeah, okay. So it says 5 to 7 minutes, but yeah, I'll probably leave it on a little bit longer. Here is what we are working with. The scalp oil that I put on my head was actually Carol's daughter. I got this at Dollar General, but obviously you can get it at Amazon, wherever. I'll link this below too. I try to link whatever I'm using below usually. So this is Carol's daughter Goddess Strength. No Way Down, 7 oil blend hair and scalp oil for weak breakage prone. And if I remember right, I got it at Dollar General, so it wasn't like crazy priced or anything. But yeah, I just started kind of doing this, well, today. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, I did put some of that. And it actually doesn't say I even need to like rinse it out. I think it was just to go ahead and like leave on your scalp. But yeah, I did it this morning. So it is helping my hair just look a little bit shinier. Yeah, just something new I'm trying. And I did put just a tiny bit of coconut oil on the ends as well, like a couple hours before I came in here. And then, like I said, I'm just going to use a co-wash shampoo. So I'm going to go ahead, do the co-wash shampoo and everything, and then we'll come put the mask in and see what color it is. Thanks so much for being here and hanging out with me on my hair care day. I know hair care days for a lot of us, especially those that have health issues like me, it's just a day that we dread. So I just wanted to do like a double thank you for sitting here hanging out with me because it really means a lot to me and it makes it so much more enjoyable and it just gives me an extra push to not worry about what I can't do and just do what I can. So thanks. Be right back. Hello. I am so old. All right, let's open this. My hair is just like begging for me to put something in it. Okay, it's got the cool cap. Okay, I got the white colored one. Okay, it's not bad. I'm really sensitive to smells. Like, the X-Mondo Super Gloss was a little intense for me. Not that, like, I mind them. It's just something that I can tell if it's going to give me a migraine when I use it. Like, obviously, I'll suffer if I have to. I like this. I will say that. I don't even know how to explain it. There's nothing I can really explain. It's really, okay, it's thick. It's got a nice consistency. Yeah. It's a calming scent. It really reminds me of something when I was younger and I wish I could pinpoint it. I'm just going to work this throughout my hair in sections. Massage through wet hair. So yeah, so it's not specifying like, hey, my hair is so thirsty. I didn't even dry it or anything. And it's already like, feels like I towel dried it summer. I did put kind of like a small protein treatment on my ends the other day just to see kind of how it would react. And I do think that it's just begging for moisture. So I really want give my hair like all this extra love before I go color it again. We did just do a hair glass too. What is this reminding me of? Was it like a perfume I had in high school or something? If my hair was a little more wet, I think I would be able to get to apply this a little bit more. I've been debating if I should add some more water, but at this point, let's hope that my hair just sucks this in instead. But I'm sure, like, I don't like doing my masks in the shower usually because I'm always worried it's going to be too much water in my hair or I'm going to get, like, too much water in the container. So, anyways, you could implement this into your shower routine pretty easily. Just, it says you can just do it for 5 to 7 minutes. So, for any of you ladies that shave your legs or whatever, or if you just meditate or scream, whatever you do in the shower, you could just leave this in while you're doing that. Bathroom shower was always my safe place. It's where I just feel at peace. It's just something about the sound of running water. I think it's just because I love water. I did buy this with another kind of one of their hydrating products, so I'll have to come back to that one a different time. So that was one of the reasons I got it off their site instead of Amazon. Like I said, it took such an insanely long time to get here. Well, hopefully I coated enough of my entire head. It feels like I did. Hopefully moisture was needed and my hair isn't going to be over moisturized. I'm really globbing it on here. I want to make sure my hair has a chance of actually getting the product in it this time. It doesn't look thick, but it is. And I feel like I always either have too much water in my hair or something. It's like a troll's hairstyle. Maybe I should start wearing it like this. Oh gosh. Just need to give my hair a trim and color it. It's just looking so unfinished right now, I swear. You guys want to take any guesses for what I'm going to do for my next hair color? Comment below. Well, everything is a mess, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm honestly going to put a cap on this. Probably going to let it go for 10 minutes. If I honestly, I want to overdo it. So maybe like 30 minutes. I know you could leave this in probably. I know you could leave a moisturizing mask in quite a while. So it just depends on what you want to do. I don't want to go over like too excessive an amount of time because I also want those of you who aren't going to leave it in a super long time to kind of get an idea of the results and like not leaving it in like all night or something. So there's still plenty left. So how about this time I use it, I'll go like half an hour or something. Half an hour to an hour max. I'll let you guys know. And then, next time you guys want me to leave it in overnight and see if it makes a huge difference, I can do that too. So yeah, I'm going to go clean up my hands. And I am going to put like a bag over my head just to help it retain some of that moisture. The smell is not like insanely overpowering and it's not bad. I don't think I have to worry about it too much, but it is present. See you guys soon. Okay, it's the next day and I didn't do any styling or anything. So I usually do that with masks because I want to just get the results of what my hair would look like drying naturally because I really do have such wavy hair that it usually looks like a poofy Cocker Spaniel. Unless I either do a straightening or go for more curly wavy styles or do something styling wise. So this is how I kind of get a really good feel for the product personally. So sorry if it's not, all curled and beautiful, but I will tell you, I absolutely loved this. Like, I'm not joking. It's so soft. It's got a lot more movement than I had before. And like, if you look at the befores and afters, it's just really smoothed it out. And like I said, you can just see the pattern of my hair. It made it much more shinier. My ends are just so thin because we're still growing out this undercut. So I just really not a fan of exactly how it looks per se right now. But you can definitely tell that it made a huge difference. Look at this. And what's funny is I actually passed out for a little bit, like on this side on accident. So it did make it a little frizzy in that way. But what you're seeing down here is just the other day I got a new pair of hair cutting scissors because we're going to be cutting my hair again. And I wanted to see how sharp they were. So I just barely cut enough off the bottoms to what I thought make a difference. But look at how much it smoothed out the like freshly cut ends. Granted, I did, like I said, fall asleep on my hair a little. But I'm pretty sure that this is just from that really slight cut that I did. That it smoothed out the ends better. I'm not sure, but in my head, that's what happened. I forgot that they did send like a little free sample gift with my order when I got it, and they sent like the oil here. It's the SUPERFRUIT Star Lightweight Hairstyling Oil. And it says prior to heat styling, you can put on damp or dry hair. Not much other instructions besides that, but it's described as like a lightweight oil. And I will say that a lot came out of the package when I went to try it. And when I did put it on, it is lightweight. I hadn't even washed my hands, and I couldn't even like tell. It wasn't like sticky or anything like that. So I'll link their oil below in the description as well. Because it did smell really good, and I do think I like it, so it's something that I want to come back to. I'm glad that they sent it. I do feel like I really like the oil as well. Lastly, just so you know, I found out that this brand, AMIKA, is actually a sister brand with Eva NYC. They're both owned by like a private investment company, or private investment firm, whatever. So they're both owned by the same one of those, so they're like a sister company. I did dive a little deeper, and some people noted that the ingredients were very similar, but also not exactly the same. I did notice that someone went really deep into it and said that the Eva NYC products they're noticing have less water-soluble ingredients as compared to AMIKA, which has more water-soluble. There's some differences there, but maybe something I should look into in the future. So I just thought that was interesting. They are a sister brand. Might be a better price option to look into for their other products, or maybe to just compare to if you're on a budget. I personally really like this mask today. Like I said, my hair is soft. I feel great. I'm going to use this again, which is rare for me. So I'm really happy to say, for me, this was a 10 out of 10. From just how insanely dry my hair was, though, like, I really thought there was no hope. But if your hair isn't as bad as mine, I bet this would be even better. My hair is not normally a fan of shampoos, but I do at least want to maybe try this, like, alongside their Normcore conditioner. I guess I should try their shampoo. Might as well try the whole line of this, because I do really like it, and I am enjoying. I did really like that oil. It's quite nice. All in all, really great. I think this might be my highest rated AMIKA product that I've tried, so I'm really happy. I'm pretty sure I've said that too many times, so obviously we know where I stand. Hope you guys let me know if you've ever used this before and what your experiences were. Remember, I do have products linked below if you do want to go check it out. And if you do, I hope you come back and let me know how it worked for you, because everyone's hair is different. And I'm really hoping that this is for everyone's hair like they say. I really hope that this does work for everyone's hair like they say it does. I hope that this video helped in some way. And if you did like it, I hope you hit the like button. And if this was your first time here, I hope you keep hanging out, subscribe. I also have my Instagram listed in the description below in case anyone wants to go over there, say hey, send me pictures of your hair, vent, whatever. I hope you guys are all having an absolutely amazing day out there. Can't wait to catch you all in the next video. I am so excited as usual. I don't think there's a video I'm ever not excited about. It's mainly because I'm excited to see all of you. So hope to see you there. Sending love.